lesson. Each and every day you want to continue. If you want to continue, are there that time those points are remaining day by day. I want to reduce all. If you want to reduce all that time reaches to one point of level. You are ending of lesson. Be satisfied. Be satisfied. That's why once again I write the name of lesson inside that. Within a short duration, I want to cover those points which are readily reached now inside that term. If you want to start that lessons are there, first of all, we try to understand what is the real meaning given by inside that term. If it is completed that time, we ask different types of question. From that different types of question, each and every question show for you how you reaches to inside that term. Students are giving somewhat reinforcement. They are agreed to learn with that lesson. Next of all, in your textbook, somewhat additional different chemical compounds are. With the help of that chemical compound, he is also given idea for students. If you want to learn any compounds are there, that time there is a need of atom. If it is words are there, that time he says that there is historical background which can be seen not only saying atom, it can be done for observation of it. If you start then, that time yesterday, I want to cover two names of scientists. First of all, Rishi Kanath says the name for that atom in the form of Parmanu. If it is words are there, that time he is giving its own statement. There is a certain types of limit in which you can be stopped at a certain level. Sir, it is words are there, that time second scientist which can be raised. An interest about to say atom. Second, Democritus says that I say right title for that invisible, smallest, minimized matter of anything. It is known as atom. That's why atom word published by Democritus. Today we can discuss about another two scientists. Which learning point you can learn from this teaching point. See student, what I say. First of all is the Dalton. Sir, what do you mean by Dalton atomic theory? Johann Dalton is one type of science. Which point can be given in your textbook? It can be given as a type mark. But I want to learn with point-wise mark. Which are these? First of all, Johann Dalton. Johann Dalton is the British scientist in 1803. These are all statement types and essay type and stanza paragraph in your textbook are there. But my point of teaching very rightly systematic manner I follow. Sir, if you want to learn about that, Johann Dalton is there. That time he says that in a particular years, 1803, British scientist is there, also from abroad, out from India. That time he has also given reinforcement. Inspiration, curiosity. Is am I do something for atoms? For that level of education, first of all, one plus point for that scientist, I observe the really structure of atom. Up to now, calling of atoms are war, Parmanu, atmos, atom. Only one says that if you want to call them, my effort going on. But here another scientist there which is the naked eye. How it look like? Which type of this? Which structure? Which intrascopic nature can be observed in atom? That time John Dalton first of all, scientist which can open really nature of atom. That time he says that 1803 those theory, those postulates, those assumptions, those new statement which I want to propose in front of student, I can be given my name, Dalton atomic theory. Why? It is a right or wrong after one you decide. But these are my opinion. That opinion I can stay in front of people are there. That's why I call declaration by using my name, Dalton atomic theory. Once again I say, in 1803, Johann Dalton published its own theory. This is done. I am a co-worker. I am a real bone. I am the backbone of this whatever it can be done because of me. That's why it is known as Dalton atomic theory. Sir, that's the first point. Second of all, democracy says that if you want to learn about any matter, any atoms are there, that time smallest particle of any matter, it is known as atom. But here he plus point, possessive nature, each and every which can be done before testing. Confirmatory test I can be allowed while going in my theory. Which is this? Uses that I say about Democritus. Smallest particle of every matter, it is known as atom. But you are right. Is am I concerned in my theory? At the time of before coming in my theory, first of all I handle word test on you. If you are right, that time come in my theory. If it says that you are right, first of all I obey. First of all I regulate. Not regulate other. First of all I conducting test over them. If it is right, that time obey in my theory. He is given right signal. Possessive plus point. You are those signal which you are provided. It is also right in nature. That's why he says that smallest particle of matter, it is known as atom. No objection. Everything is right. Those assumptions which you follows are them. Same I continue in my theory. Second point. Matter, every smallest particle of every matter, it is known as atom. Second points are there. Third point, which is this. Sir, whatever instrument which are present at that ancient level is if it is collected and one type of penetrating ray, if it is fall on that object, that time object showing reflection. That time he given perfect shape of that atom. It is not triangle, it is not hexagonal, it is not pentagonal, it is not monoclinic, it is not any one rod shape. He says that atom perfectly attain one type of shape. It is known as solid, it is known as arc, it is known as spherical, it is known as one type of circular region. Within a short statement he allowed which they observe. It is hard, tough. Manufacturing material which they build, it is too much high, harder. After one spherical is there. And last of all is there, it is totally mass concentrated at one side of it. Which fourth point? He calculate, measure, evaluate that atoms are there. That time he says that whatever weight, mass can be occupied within that atom, that time whole mass consider nothing but that rigid ball, nothing but that vacuum which are specified by that solid structure. In short, mass of matter concentrated in an atom.